So crazyNcone again, obviously, as you will be watching
our channel.
Yes. So today it is
an information.
Yes, information slash
update.
Update. That's fun.
Like all our videos, we never really make.
Think about it.
Yeah.
So
anyway, let's get straight into it. Maybe. Right.
Okay, so we're just going to tell you. Like, yes.
So we started actually college.
Yes, we're in college now. Second half term. So for the last part of the winter autumn thing.
Before Christmas.
Yeah, we're nearly breaking up for Christmas in a couple of weeks. So we're doing the art and design diploma. Yeah. And it's going really well. And today we learned how to make PVA transfer picture thing into fabric, which is like this. Like that. That's a picture. Yeah, we had to put a picture in it.
That's what it is. This is mine, by the way.
So yeah. And then when we were doing it, we decided that we'd do some fan merchandise.
Which is probably going to be
Yeah. So if you know, like Charlie is so cool. Like he has the badges. So if you find Charlie, yeah, we'll have crazyNcone ones.
We have patches that look like these. So we're gonna make them
but
like
with
this.
different images.
Yeah, not this.
And if you see us around college or in town or something, just ask us for some. And we should be carrying some around. So
yeah. And we're also going to make some t-shirts just because we're sad and we want to. With fabric paint that we're going to make.
Because with the patches you can't wash them after the picture will come off, so we couldn't do that with the t-shirts.
And then
trying to make some t-shirts.
We've also got to say that we've actually got a Facebook page.
Yeah.
So please go like it.
Please like it because.
And if you're on Facebook watching this, if you don't come on Facebook,
yeah,
go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, because you watch it on here, so why don't you watch it on there?
We're not dorky. We're like
10
subscribers,
and then like loads on Facebook. Yeah. That's only because we like bribed everybody.
I know.
Okay, and what was that one? Who said that one? Oh yeah, and we're thinking about challenges. I think on our Facebook page I started a discussion. That's my granddad's glasses. A discussion on about challenges. So if you just comment on that about challenges. I've got my granddad's glasses on. Then you do actually. Then we'll read them. Or just comment on here. On this one.
Actually, someone did one and we ignored it.
Yeah, we need to do that one. Sorry, Beth. We'll do that one soon.
That's fine.
We just want to say about our personal channels as well. So mine is Amy, aka Crazy, and
mine is FairyCakeNay.
And there'll be links down here somewhere. Okay, you make sure you can't hear the music. We've got music playing at the same time. So yeah, and we do nails, makeup, thingy. We do random stuff. We don't really have a set thing. So on here we vlog together, and then on anything we don't really do. Okay.
I'm looking at that, not the camera.
I know, I'm trying to look at the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel stupid talking about that.
Okay then guys, we'll see you
like our Facebook page
soon, and don't forget to like it. As if you ask for a patch and you don't like our Facebook page, we might have to say no, even though we put a lot of work into it. Sorry about her, she looks a bit weird today.
To be better, rather they see this than the actual hair.
That's true. Her hair is pretty messy today.
It's just a windswept.
Okay.
Right.
And I have my hair out, which is a bit different.
Anyway, so this is pretty much what they're going to look like, but with not Amy's face.
Yeah, and we're going to have, I made a little logo, and we'll do that. We just need to buy some PVA glue and some more
And
fabric.
they're quite thick.
Yeah, and they're quite stiff, and they'll be easy to sew on things that you want to sew them on, so we're just going to stick it on your wall like I stick everything small with.
Alright, we're blabbering.
Yes, we are. Okay.
Okay, thanks for watching.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
This is Travis, by the way. I'm going to steal it. Alright, bye.
Bye.